Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Roshni from Roshni's Canvas Paintings and DIY. Welcome back to my another exciting DIY project. In this video, I will be painting a beautiful box for keeping hijab pins. This project is very special because I'm making it for one of my loved ones. So she loves the color purple, so the main color of the box will be light purple. And don't forget, I have done more amazing DIY projects that you can find on my channel. Make sure to watch them after this video. Now without any further ado, let's get started. For this project, I will be needing a box, some acrylic paint, a black permanent marker, some brushes, and a pen to trace the name. That's it. So I did gesso before applying the paint on the box because it is the base and it is a must thing to, because it primes the thing that you wanna put color on. Okay, so the next step is painting the box. Well, we will start painting the entire box with light purple acrylic paint. Use a flat brush for even coverage. Make sure to apply 2 coats so that the color looks vibrant and smooth. Let it dry completely before moving to the next step. Okay, so in the next step, we will paint roses and petals on the top of the box. For roses, I will be using deep purple and light purple acrylic paint. Using some small brush strokes can create a great rose that looks so beautiful, and it doesn't require any skills that much. So I will create the petals in a circular pattern to make the roses look natural. Then I will add some smaller petals around the roses to complete the look. So I am doing this in both the corners of the box, and I will be painting a rose in the box front area where the box will be flipping and opening. So here I will be painting a bigger rose to cover the entire area with just one rose. And here I am placing the lighter colors with the circular motion to create the rose petals, and then I will be using the purple, deep purple one to enhance the rose and give it a light shading. If you like my video so far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. And do comment below if you have any suggestions or if there's something you would like me to paint for you. I would love to do that. And here in this project, you can customize this project by using your favorite colors or designs and any kind of pattern that you would love to make it your own masterpiece. Now here I am adding leaves with the roses using 2 shades of green. One is lemon green and the another is sap green. This combination adds depth and an enhanced look with beautiful shading, making the design more vibrant and realistic, and the petal goes really well with the roses. And I'm adding a bunch of leaves with every single rose to make it pop a little bit more on the top of the box, and I'll be adding some more in the front area where I drew the bigger one, and there will be a lot of more leaves. You can already tell the box is coming to life and it looks really beautiful, at least to my eyes, and I also want to know how it looks to your eyes, so don't forget to comment and let me know how you liked it. So here I am placing the bigger petals here, bigger leaves with the bigger rose, and I will be doing it a lot. There will be about 10 leaves, or maybe 6 to 7 leaves, and I really love leaves actually, so I try to add them everywhere. Now comes the personalization part. I will trace the name of the person I'm making this for on the front of the box using a pen. Once I'm happy with the placement, I'll go over it with a black permanent marker for a bold and clean finish. So finally I will add some details like outlining the rose and slightly with a darker shade to make them pop, and maybe a touch of glitter if you want a sparkly look. Although I didn't add any sparkles here or glitter here, but this step really enhances the design and makes it stand out. So you can always apply some glitter. Who doesn't love sparkly stuff, right? Okay, so now the box is ready and I have to make something to stick and secure the box. The magnet I'm using for this box is something that I've collected over the years from my old torn bags or items I no longer use. I always save specific parts like this for my crafting or DIY projects, and now it's coming in handy for this one. So I am pointing the area where I'm gonna place a magnet and applying a little bit of super glue to stick it immediately, because it's a little bit tricky process, because if the magnet moves from its place, the box will not close properly. So I'm using some tweezers to secure this, and I'll be placing the other part of the magnet on top. And here I'll be using some more super glue in a circular area to just attach it with the top part. So I'm just closing the lid to make it stick, and that will be enough for this, and the box is already secured. So this was my DIY project for today, a personalized hijab pin box painted in light purple with beautiful roses and the name on it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next videos. Stay creative and take care. Allah Hafiz.